What is Metaverse and how it works? 3 biggest Metaverse coins. Metaverse was not very well known before Facebook changed its name to Meta, and then every Metaverse coin surged. But before we get in, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHUB, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I am not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So, without further ado, let's begin the video with the introduction of Metaverse. Essentially, the Metaverse is a collection of interactive, immersive, and collaborative virtual 3D settings. The Metaverse is a collection of realities, similar to how the real universe is made up of interconnected worlds in space. In the middle of the international COVID epidemic, video conferencing technology was another foreshadowing of what was to come. The concept presented in Neil Stephenson's novel Snow Crash, published in 1992, goes well beyond any game or video conferencing program. The Metaverse will become a platform is not related to any app or any particular region, digital or real, says Rev Liberdian, Vice President of Simulation Technologies at NVIDIA. And just as virtual locations will survive, so will the things and identities of individuals traveling through them, allowing digital commodities and identities to flow from one virtual world to the next, and even into our own, thanks to augmented reality. Metaverse sounds are like the kind of thing millions talk about to get their attention, like Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who develops pizza members on Mars. Metaverse is an important concept that can last a long time, even if, like us, you are skeptical of the future of its imaginative promoters. An idea worth knowing. Experts in this field often agree on a few important aspects of the Metaverse, such as the idea that users will feel an appearance or an existence. That is, they will have the feeling of being inside the visible world next to other people, experiencing things in the first person and possibly 3D. It will also be able to accommodate a large number of users who will be able to connect with others in real time. So that was the clear definition of Metaverse. Now let's move towards the 3 biggest coins of Metaverse industry. And the first biggest coin of Metaverse is obviously none other than Decentraland, or popularly known as Mana, having a market cap of $4.7 billion. When it comes to Mana, it is a virtual reality platform that is powered by the ETHEREUM blockchain that allows users to create, enjoy, and monetize content and applications. Users acquire plots of land in this virtual environment, which they may then navigate, develop on, and monetize. Decentraland was founded in 2017 as a result of a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO. The virtual environment released to the public in February 2020 after a closed beta period in 2019. Users have since built a variety of interactive experiences on their land parcels, including interactive games, sprawling 3D scenes, and a number of other interactive activities. Mana and Land are the 2 tokens used in Decentraland. To obtain non-fungible ERC-721 land tokens, Mana is an ERC-20 token that must be burned. On the Decentraland marketplace, Mana tokens can be used to purchase a variety of avatars, wearables, names, and other items. Then after Mana comes the biggest competitor, Mana, popularly known as Sandbox, having a market cap of $3.8 billion just behind Decentraland Mana. The Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world created by Pixel that allows users to create, build, purchase, and sell digital goods in the manner of a game. The Sandbox creates a decentralized platform for a healthy gaming community by combining the powers of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAO, with non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Furthermore, the Sandbox platform's main objective, according to the official white paper, is to successfully incorporate blockchain technology into popular gaming. The site aims to promote a creative play-to-earn approach that allows users to be both producers and gamers at the same time. The Sandbox makes use of blockchain technology by creating the Sand utility token, which helps with platform transactions. Sandbox is a unique platform because it is the first to bring blockchain technology to the gaming industry. When it comes to the adoption of blockchain technology, the gaming sector is a big unexplored opportunity, as Pixel discovered in 2011. And finally comes the 3rd biggest Metaverse coin, which is also a most popular play-to-earn coin known as AXI Infinity AXS, and it would also have a market cap of $3.6 billion. AXI Infinity is a blockchain-based trade and battle game in which participants own and run a portion of the company. Check out our AXI Infinity deep dive to learn more about this project. AXI Infinity is a game that allows players to collect, breed, raise, combat, and trade token-based animals known as Axes. It was inspired by famous games like Pokemon and Tamagotchi. Axes come in a variety of shapes and sizes, with over 500 distinct body parts to choose from, including aquatic, beast, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axes can have any combination of body parts, making them highly variable and often rare and unique. Parts from each type class come in 4 different rarity scales, such as common, rare, ultra-rare, and legendary, and Axes can have any combination of body parts, making them highly variable and often rare and unique. Each Axie is a non-fungible token NFT with unique attributes and strengths that can be utilized in 3v3 combat. The winning team earns more experience, X points, which can be used to improve an Axie stats or evolve their bodily parts. These Axes can be crossed to create new and unique offspring that can be used or sold on the Axie market. Now I hope you have clearly understood what Metaverse is and have learned the names of 3 biggest Metaverse coins too, and how all 3 have different purposes and aims at different markets, but all in Metaverse. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about Metaverse and it's working, or if you think I've missed any news that should have been there, so as I always say, do mention it below in the comment box. Now if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of Tech HUB. Until then, goodbye.